Hey guys, so I posted a picture of some waves that I had put in my hair, and I had a lot of people send me direct messages asking how to create them. So I thought I'd come on here, show you how I created them and what I use. Okay, so first things first, in order to recreate the curl pattern that I did in the image I posted, you're gonna need a 1 1/4 barrel curling iron. I traveled this time with this little mini FHI brand's 1 1/4 barrel curling iron. This thing really packs a punch for as small as it is, so you guys should definitely check that out. And then I've already prepped my hair with Hot Off the Press by Paul Mitchell. It's a thermal protecting spray. Okay, so it's pretty easy, guys. You're gonna take about a 1-inch section, start in the front, place the tip of the iron up and the hair into the iron close to the bottom, and then you're gonna close the tong. And so you're leaving those ends out, and then you're just gonna slide the iron down and let it sit long enough, if you have to feel it, to make sure that it's heated up, then you know it's done. And then you're just gonna slide it out. And then the first 2 pieces I'm gonna do away from the face. And then after that, I'm gonna start alternating the direction. So now my third section I'm gonna do towards the face. And I'm placing it in about halfway down. And I'm just gonna let it slide a little bit. And then I'm gonna pop it out. And I'm gonna keep doing this until I get all the way to the ends. And then the 4th section goes away from the face. And you see how I'm kind of pulling the iron through the hair one time first? Basically, it just kind of warms it up for you. 5th section towards the face. And I don't go up too far with the iron. I don't like a lot of curl in the top. I like mine to be a little bit flatter, but you can do the curls closer to the scalp if you want to see more lift at the root area. I like mine a little bit flatter, so that's why I do mine that way. Now I want you to keep in mind, you don't want the sections to be too big. Believe it or not, the hair will actually curl faster if your sections are a little bit smaller and they're not too thick or too thin. And I've just got 2 more sections on this side, so I'm gonna finish those up, and then I'm gonna complete the other side and show you the finished result. So one thing I want to point out is that my ends aren't super curled. That's 2 parts. One, because the iron is so big, but also I'm not really allowing a full curl pattern to happen in the ends. I'm on the last section of my 2nd side, but I wanted to point out, when it comes to what finishing products to use, I usually stick with something simple like a shine spray or a soft serum. You can use whatever you want. I prefer to use something lighter and not too heavy because it helps the longevity of my blowout. So what I'm doing now is just using my fingers to pull it apart. And then I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. If you want to, you can use like a texturizing spray as your finisher, or even like a soft hairspray. For me, I usually stay away from those, but if your hair works well with that, then I say go for it. Use whatever works for you. If you want a little bit more volume, you could tease it a little bit, or use a root lifting spray, or just some hairspray to help hold it up. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see. Send me a direct message. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you next time.